I gotta get these goats. Well, that black and white one, not the black one, into here. The new kennel we just built. And I'm not gonna try to catch them. I'm just gonna try to give them food quick. All I did was pour the food. Hi, turkey. I want some. Let's just go. And they're all already coming. But then we have this dog here who is also gonna be in there. Real quick. No, come here. Not. Get out of here. Or get the goats and bring them over here. Hey, be careful. Bring the goats over there. Get the goats. Go get them. We're there and see who comes. And I'm getting Gen Dog away. Come on, Gen Dog. We're going over here. I won't tie you up if you're not gonna be annoying. Over there. I should probably spread it out. Puppy, what have you been up to? You keeping the goats safe? Go get food. Hey, no, don't jump on me. You don't do that. Come on, go eat. Go. Oh, I don't need you in here actually. I need you. We got two of them. We just need that auburn one. Got him. That one over there. Freedom! Raid. Making burning these while it's wet out and maybe the fire won't spread everywhere. We gotta get these other ones too. Is this forest? Oh yeah, we got the goats and it was raining a lot earlier. I'll have that footage from my dad's phone because mine was inside. The back of it is cracked a lot and water could easily get in there, and it would have. I'm gonna be recording right now if I had left my phone outside. So yeah, it's still raining a little bit loud. This thing got flipped over for our egg stand. I think it's kind of broken. I don't know. We got the eggs in here. I have not introduced my egg stand yet. Well, not mine, my parents. But yeah. So yeah, thank you. And now we cut that. It doesn't look that big. Towards it. Compared to the one I stuck my face in today. Can I add it, please? Or is there more? Oh, there we go. You can see everything.